Black steel underbody truck box. Keep tools and equipment safe with this professional-grade truck box. Made with durable, powder-coated 14 gauge steel, it has a locking stainless steel compression latch to guard against weather and theft. Built to last. This corrosion-resistant truck box is designed for the long haul with aircraft-grade cables and a replaceable gasket sealing system. Mount on either a flat surface or under bed using buyer's products mounting brackets, sold separately. More than just parts. From snow and ice equipment to toolboxes, hydraulics, towing, truck and trailer hardware to our innovative lighting products, it's amazing what buyer's products can do for your truck. We do things the right way. We design products like we were building them for ourselves, because we are. Our teams are staffed with engineers and experts who know how to make a product exceptional. Durable and dependable. Founded in 1946, Buyers Products has become a leader in the truck equipment industry, though our commitment to customer care, innovation, and value across our range of products. Protect and easily access your equipment with the Buyers Products Black Steel Underbody Truck Box with T-Latch. Available in a variety of sizes, each professional-grade box is made of strong 14 gauge steel that can handle the harshest job sites. Then it's powder-coated black inside and out for superior corrosion resistance and style. The continuous hidden hinge and replaceable gasket system keep weather and grime away from your tools. Aircraft-grade cables help prevent damage. The locking, stainless steel compression latch provides a tight seal and deters theft. Mount the box on any flat surface or under your truck using Buyers Products mounting brackets, sold separately. See accessories below. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent boxes. The boxes are sturdy, they look great, and they arrived with zero damage. We purchased 4 boxes 24 and 36 and all of them arrived in excellent condition.